This gentle flow is to bring in the presence of God. It's a journey to the heart. So we'll begin in an upright seated position, taking your hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. And just noticing, where is it in your life, in your mind, your heart, or your body, that you're ready to release the stress of holding on to something that isn't helping you. Just notice what that is. And now focusing on opening your heart center to receive the presence of God. With your hands in prayer pose, now release them down to the ground. Eyes can stay closed. Inhale the arms high up to the sky. Bring them into prayer pose again and down the center, back to your heart. Moving with your breath as you're physically opening the heart center to receive the presence of God. And the next time the hands come in front of the heart center, gently move into tabletop, preparing to take some cat-cows. And as you're inhaling deeply, allowing the breath to guide you as you exhale deeply, moving into this cat-cow motion, focus on opening your heart to receive God's presence. Coming to a neutral spine in your tabletop. Step the right foot in between both hands. Inhale the arms up, high up to the sky. And then make these big circles with your arms, opening your heart center to the journey to receive God's presence. And with a smile on your face as you make the big circles, be willing to joyfully receive God's presence. And then bring both hands on either side of the right foot. Come back through tabletop. Make any micro movements before we go to the left side. Maybe it's a couple cat-cows. Maybe it's wag the tail. Maybe it's just stillness. Stillness to receive. When you're ready, stepping the left foot in between both hands and inhaling the arms high up to the sky, making those big circles again. Eyes could be open or closed, with a smile on your face to joyfully receive the presence of God. And then bringing both hands on either side of the left foot, coming through tabletop, but this time sitting back into child's pose. Surrendering any and all your worries to God. Inhale, coming up. And this time, if it suits you, curl the toes under and press up and back into downward dog. Long, deep breathing. Gently walk your feet to your hands and folding forward. Maybe taking hold of the elbows or just resting the hands on the earth, whatever serves you. Surrendering and letting go of everything and anything you're carrying. Letting it go and turning it over to God. Then on the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest and roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming into mountain pose. And standing in your mountain pose with your hands down by your side, fingers are spread, just feeling the strength within you that you're already receiving from God. And then bring the hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart. Step your left foot back, coming into warrior two. And as you breathe into your warrior two, feeling the strength of God and feeling Him fill you up with courage, feeling strong and courageous. And then inhale, bringing the hands to center, straightening both legs, and exhaling to warrior two on the left side. Feeling strong and feeling the courage from God. Long, deep breathing. Inhale the arms to center again. And bring the hands in prayer pose down in front of the heart. And heel toe the feet together. Coming into mountain pose. Come to the top of your mat. And inhale the arms down, around, and up. Bring the hands in prayer pose again at the top and down the center line in front of the heart. And as you move with your own breath, moving to receive the presence of God. Eyes could be open or closed. Have a smile on your face. One more time. And once your hands come in front of the heart center, just pause there a moment. Beginning to feel the joy of the presence of God. And then gently releasing, coming down onto your mat into a seated position with your legs out in front of you. Anchor your sit bones into the earth beneath you. Flex the feet and inhale the arms high up to the sky. And exhale, bow forward into the seated posture. Trusting, but also asking to hear the voice of God. Being still to hear His voice. On the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest and roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. Coming into an easy seated pose. Bring the hands together at heart center. Press your thumbs into your heart center. Bow your head to your heart. Feeling the presence of God. Trusting His guidance. Take a deep inhale. A gentle exhale. And bowing, honoring yourself and honoring the presence you're receiving from God today. And coming back up Thank you for practicing with me today. May your heart be filled with the joy of God's presence, now and always.